Tat N6 Cloud Review Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing N6 Cloud, a cloud hosting platform designed to provide businesses with reliable and scalable infrastructure solutions. Links to the product are available in the description below. N6 Cloud offers a variety of services, including cloud storage, computing power, and security solutions, making it an excellent choice for startups, SMBs, and even larger enterprises looking to streamline their cloud infrastructure. One of N6 Cloud's standout features is its flexibility. Whether you're looking for basic storage or high-performance computing, the platform allows you to scale resources up or down based on your business needs. This means you only pay for what you use, helping to keep costs under control. For companies with fluctuating workloads, this scalability is crucial as it ensures you're never paying for more than you need. The user interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, making it simple for users with minimal technical experience to set up and manage their cloud resources. For more experienced users, N6 Cloud offers advanced options like custom configurations, APIs, and integrations with popular tools such as AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. This makes it a flexible option for teams of any size, from small businesses to larger, more complex enterprises. Security is another key feature of N6 Cloud. The platform provides robust data encryption, firewalls, and 24/7 monitoring, ensuring that your business data is secure at all times. With the growing importance of cybersecurity, these features offer peace of mind knowing that your infrastructure is protected from potential threats. Lastly, N6 Cloud offers responsive customer support with multiple channels available, including live chat and email support. This ensures that if you run into any issues, help is always just a message away. In conclusion, N6 Cloud is a powerful and flexible cloud hosting solution that delivers on scalability, security, and ease of use. If you're looking for a reliable platform to support your growing business, check the description for links to get started.